Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Brilliant app, also known as Brilliant. Learn by doing, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Brilliant is an interactive learning app that focuses on math, science, computer science, and logic. Unlike traditional lecture-style platforms, Brilliant teaches concepts through problem solving and hands-on exercises. The app's philosophy is simple. The best way to understand is by doing, not just by watching or memorizing. In practice, users enjoy Brilliant's clean and interactive design. Lessons are broken into bite-sized steps, with questions and challenges at nearly every stage. Topics range from algebra and statistics to physics, machine learning, and logic puzzles. The app is designed to adapt to your pace, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced learners. One of the biggest strengths of Brilliant is its interactive problem sets. Instead of passively reading or watching, you're required to think through solutions, which reinforces learning. Many users say this approach helps them grasp complex ideas much faster than textbooks or videos. The app also updates content regularly, so there's always something new to explore. On the positive side, Brilliant offers structured courses, offline access, and progress tracking. It's especially popular among students, professionals brushing up on STEM skills, and lifelong learners who want to stay sharp. The app has also been praised for making difficult subjects feel approachable and even fun. That said, there are some drawbacks. While Brilliant has a free version, access to full courses and advanced topics requires a paid subscription. Some users mention that explanations can feel too brief at times, leaving them searching for more depth outside the app. In addition, it focuses heavily on STEM subjects, so if you're looking for broader topics, the selection may feel limited. In summary, Brilliant. Learn by doing is worth using if you want an engaging, problem-solving approach to math, science, and technology. It works best for active learners who enjoy challenges. However, if you prefer in-depth lectures or broader subject coverage, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.